Are you curious about how to make better trading decisions? Today, we'll compare Bookmap and Level 2. Both tools help traders analyze the market, but they do it in different ways. Bookmap offers a visual representation of market data. It shows the order book and price movements in real time. This helps traders see where buyers and sellers are active. It's great for spotting trends and understanding market depth. On the other hand, Level 2 provide a detailed view of the order book. It shows you the current buy and sell orders at various price levels. Traders use this information to gauge market sentiment and make quick decisions. It's more about numbers and less about visuals. Now, let's look at the key differences. Bookmap focuses on visual data, while level 2 is all about the numbers. With Bookmap, you can see price movements and liquidity in a colorful chart. Level 2 gives you a straightforward list of orders. When it comes to features, Bookmap offers advanced tools like heat maps and volume analysis. Level 2 provides essential order book information but lacks the visual elements. If you prefer seeing data in a graphical format, Bookmap might be your best bet. If you like numbers and quick access to order details, Level 2 is a solid choice. In terms of pricing, Bookmap usually has a subscription model, while Level 2 is often included with trading platforms. This can make Level 2 a more budget friendly option. So, who should choose what? If you are a visual learner and want to dive deep into market trends, go for Bookmap. If you prefer straightforward data for quick trades, Level 2 is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights.